Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Rising trust in Gehlot boosts chances of return to playing key role. Amid growing speculation, the Congress High Command's increasing trust in former Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has sparked discussions about his potential return to the organization. Gehlot has long maintained a close relationship with the Gandhi family, and recent developments suggest he may play a key role in upcoming party changes following the defeat in Rajasthan. The High Command's confidence in Gehlot remains strong, with Rahul Gandhi reportedly planning changes within the party this month. As part of this trust, Gehlot has been tasked with securing the Amethi Lok Sabha seat in the upcoming elections. Ashok Gehlot, the former Chief Minister of Rajasthan, has become a prominent figure in Congress's election strategies following the party's increasing reliance on his leadership and his widely discussed schemes. After playing a key role in Congress's victory in the Amethi Lok Sabha seat, Gehlot has gained further prominence. He camped with his team for a month in Amethi and played an instrumental part in the victory. Subsequently, his role expanded and he was assigned as a senior observer for Haryana and Maharashtra elections. The Congress party now seems to be pushing Gehlot forward in the upcoming Delhi elections as well, using his popular schemes as part of their campaign. Gehlot's flagship healthcare initiative in Rajasthan, the Chiranjeevi scheme, which provides free treatment up to Rs 25 lakhs, is now being replicated in Delhi. The Congress has renamed it Jeevan Raksha Yojana in the national capital, underscoring the importance of this scheme to the party's electoral strategy. This scheme was included in the party's significant announcements during elections in various states, including the Lok Sabha elections, highlighting the trust the party has placed in Gehlot's ideas. In Delhi, Congress has introduced the scheme along with other guarantees such as Rs 2500 for women, a move that draws directly from Gehlot's earlier campaigns in Rajasthan. Thank you guys for watching this. Thank you.